Guys, I'm announcing the winner next week. Guys, it's signed here. Don't you want it? The next giveaway is going to be a free beat. If you want labels, everything about it, going to be said in the next video. I'm announcing the winner next week, guys. It's yours, come take it. You just have to subscribe to my YouTube and make sure to follow my TikTok. That's it. Try as much as possible to also send me a DM and qualify to win. I'm announcing the winner next week. Peace.